Well, without us, we don't have any products. This is where all our products start, right here in R&D. We create, we take the stock parts and see how we can improve them, whether for sound, performance. Well, we create the direction of all our products. Because it all starts here. So, we determine the direction or what's missing on the market, if there is a market even yet, and try to design something to fit the needs, whatever customers are looking for. This is for the 991.2 Porsche Carrera S. This is a muffler replacement. First impression is I think it'll work well. I'm going to install it in the car in a minute here, and we'll get some actual on-car testing, and we'll make changes from there. I would say it's successful. It sounds great, adds a little volume to the stock exhaust. I mean, stock, these things are super quiet, so it lets you hear the turbos a little bit, a little more engine noise. Sounds great.